Want bigger, stronger arms? Stop wasting time. Here are the top 6 triceps exercises that will give you insane size, strength, and definition. Fast, let's go. Exercise 1. Barbell Skull Crusher. The Skull Crusher is one of the most effective compound movements for triceps, targeting both the long and lateral heads together. Start by lying flat on a bench and gripping a straight barbell at shoulder width. Lower the bar slowly behind your forehead with control, keeping your elbows locked in place. Then press the bar back up to the starting position. Focus on strict form to avoid injury. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Dumbbell Lying Pronated Triceps. Extension. This variation is designed for isolation and mind-muscle connection. Lie back on a flat bench, holding a dumbbell straight above with one hand. Keep your wrist pronated as you lower the dumbbell toward your head, then extend your arm upward until it's fully straight. Control every rep through the full range of motion. Switch arms and repeat. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per arm. Exercise 3. Reverse Grip Triceps Pushdown. A great cable variation that emphasizes the medial head of the triceps. Attach a straight or EZ bar to the high pulley. Grip it underhand and stand upright. Push the bar down while keeping your elbows tucked close. Once your arms are fully extended, pause for a second to maximize the squeeze. Then return slowly. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 4. Bench Dips. A simple yet powerful bodyweight movement that hits triceps, chest, and shoulders together. Place your hands on the edge of a flat bench with your feet extended forward, or on another bench for extra challenge. Lower yourself until your elbows bend to 90 degrees. Then push back up. Advanced lifters can place weight plates on their thighs for added resistance. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Exercise 5. Overhead Dumbbell Extension. This movement focuses heavily on the long head of the triceps. Stand tall or sit on a bench while holding a dumbbell overhead with both hands, or one hand for more focus. Slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head by bending the elbows, then drive it back up while squeezing the triceps. Keep your form strict and movement controlled. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 6. Cable Rope Pushdown. A classic finisher to get an insane pump. Attach a rope to the cable machine, grab with a neutral grip, and push down until your arms are fully extended. At the bottom, spread the rope ends slightly outward for maximum contraction, then return slowly. This variation provides excellent stretch and squeeze for shaping the triceps. Finish strong with 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps.